Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths 2. Today we will discuss a question from IIT JEE Advanced 2024 Section 1. That means Section 1 means containing 4 questions, each having +3 for correct answer, -1 for wrong answer, and 0 for unanswered. So let's check the question. So question number 1, let fx be a continuously differentiable function on the interval open 0, infinity such that f1 equals to 2 and limit t tends to x t to the power 10 fx minus x to the power 10 ft by t to the power 9 minus x to the power 9 is equals to 1 for each x greater than 0. Then for all x greater than 0, fx is equals to which of the following options? Only one option is correct. So we can solve the question in two methods, and you can observe that the topic is calculus. It is a mixture of differentiation and limit. So to solve the question, we need to recall two topics here. One is L'Hopital rule and the another one is linear differential equation. What is L'Hopital rule? This rule uses the derivatives to evaluate the limits which involve the indeterminate forms such as 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, etc. It states that if limit x tends to a fx equals to limit x tends to a gx equals to 0 or plus minus infinity, but g dashed x, that means derivative of the denominator, not equals to 0 for all x belongs to the given interval except at the a point, and limit x tends to a, if dashed x by g dashed x exists, then we can say that limit x tends to a fx by gx is equals to limit x tends to a f dashed x by g dashed x. Now let's say if f dashed x by g dashed x is also in indeterminate form like 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, then you can continue the rule again and again. Next, if you use this L'Hopital rule in this question, you will get a differential equation which is linear differential equation. To solve dy dx plus a function of x, let px into y is equals to qx, then you will solve this question by finding the integrating factor e to the power integration px dx. After finding this integrating factor, you will get that the solution is y into integrating factor equals to integration rx, that means integrating factor, into qx dx plus c, and you can find the solution. Now, how to solve this question in general method? In general method, first observe the limit given. Limit t tends to x t to the power 10 fx minus x to the power 10 ft by t to the power 9 minus x to the power 9 is equals to 1. You can observe that if we put the value of the variable t as the constant x, it will be a 0 by 0 form. So what we will use here? We will use the L'Hopital rules here. So what we will do? Limit t tends to x, derivative of the numerator and denominator. So limit t tends to x, 10 t to the power 9 fx minus x to the power 10 f dash t by 9 t to the power 8 minus 0 is equals to 1. Clear? Now, if we put here t as x, you can observe that now it is not the 0 by 0 form. So if we put t as x, you will get 10 x to the power 9 fx minus x to the power 10 f dash x is equals to 9 x to the power 8. Now if we simplify it, we will get x to the power 10 f dash x minus 10 x to the power 9 fx is equals to minus 9 x to the power 8. So if we divide the whole equation by x to the power 10, we will get the linear differential equation of first order f dash x minus 10 by x fx equals to minus 9 by x square. You can clearly observe that here px is minus 10 by x and qx is minus 9 by x square. So what will be the integrating factor? R e to the power integration p function of x dx, which is equals to e to the power integration minus 10 by x dx, that is e to the power minus 10 ln x, which is equals to e to the power ln x to the power minus 10, and which is equals to 1 by x to the power 10. So what will be the solution here? We will multiply y with the integrating factor and it will be equals to integrating factor into qx dx. So 1 by x to the power 10 into y is equals to integration minus 9 by x square into 1 by x to the power 10 dx. So after finding the integration, we will get 1 by x to the power 10 y is equals to minus 9 into x to the power minus 12 plus 1 by minus 12 plus 1 plus some integrating constant, let's say c. So y is equals to minus, cancel out, 9 by 11 x to the power 10 by x to the power 11 plus c into x to the power 10. So after simplification, it will be y equals to 9 by 11x plus c x to the power 10. Now observe the question. They are given that if 1 is equals to 2, that means when x equals to 1, y equals to 2. So putting x as 1, you will get 2 equals to 9 by 11 plus c. After simplification, we will get c is equals to 2 minus 9 by 11, which is equals to LCM 11. So 22 minus 9 by 11, which is equals to 13 by 11. So what is the solution? Y or fx is equals to 9 by 11x plus 13 by 11 into x to the power 10, which is nothing but the option B. You can observe in the question. Option B, 9 by 11x plus 13 x to the power 10 by 11. Now, if you want to solve this question in a different way, where no need to use of the differential equation, just L'Hopital and discarding the options, that's it. So let's go for the second way, which is comparatively easier, I think so, but it's your choice. Whatever you can find easy, you can solve in that way. So what you will do, since the limit is given, as I have mentioned earlier, limit t tends to x, t to the power 10 fx minus x to the power 10 ft by t to the power 9 minus x to the power 9 equals to 1, and f1 is equals to 2 given, and it is given that this limit is true for all x greater than 0. So can we take x as 1? So let take x is equals to 1. So if x is equals to 1, the limit will be limit t tends to 1, t to the power 10 f1 minus 1 to the power 10 ft by t to the power 9 minus 1 to the power 9 is equals to 1. Now put the value of f1. So limit t tends to 1, t to the power 10 into 2 minus ft by t to the power 9 minus 1 is equals to 1. Now you can observe that if you put t equals to 1, it will be again a 0 by 0 form. That means we have to use the L'Hopital rule. So limit t tends to 1, we will write the derivative of the numerator and denominator both. So 20 t to the power 9 minus f dash t by 9t to the power 8 minus 0 is equals to 1. So now if we put t as 1, you can observe that it is now okay, it is not 0 by 0 form. So 20 minus f dash 1 by 9 is equals to 1. After simplification, it will be 20 minus f dash 1 is equals to 9. So f dash 1 will be equals to 20 minus 9, which is equals to 11. So if we now try to discard the option by using this information that f dash 1 is equals to 11. So let's check the options. So option A, fx equals to 31 by 11x minus 9 by 11 x to the power 10. So if we find the derivative at the point 1, that means f dash 1 will be minus 31 by 11, because 1 by x is minus 1 by x square and x to the power 10 is 10x to the power 9. So f dash 1 will be minus 31 by 11 minus 90 by 11, which is not equals to 11, obviously. For option B, fx is 9 by 11x plus 13 by 11x to the power 10. So f dash 1 will be minus 9 by 11 plus 130 by 11, which is obviously 121 by 11 equals to 11. So it matches the information. Still, we should check option C and D. Fx equals to, for option C, fx equals to 9 by minus 9 by 11x plus 31 by 11 into x to the power 10, which implies f dash 1 is equals to plus 9 by 11 plus 310 by 11, which is obviously not equals to 11. For option D, fx is equals to 13 by 11x plus 9 by 11 into x to the power 10. So if we find f dash 1, it will be just minus 13 by 11 plus 90 by 11, which is obviously not equals to 11. So after discarding the options, it is obvious that option B is correct, which is fx is equals to 9 by 11x plus 13x to the power 10 by 8. Thanks for watching. We will solve the next question, that means question number 2, in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.